Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Surf Brick Bronze Easy Method. Begin by rinsing the surface and removing loose dirt, then dry with a clean cloth. Put on gloves and gather Surf Brick Bronze, a soft sponge, a bucket of water, and a microfiber towel. Work gently with circular strokes, checking progress often to avoid overpolishing. Rinse thoroughly and dry to reveal a refreshed, even finish. Prepare the area and the item before you touch the Surf Brick Bronze to minimize mistakes. Clear the work surface, remove fragile parts if possible, and make sure lighting reveals fine scratches and stains. Mix a little water in the bucket for lubrication while you work and have the microfiber towel ready for immediate drying. Confirm your test patch looks right before proceeding to larger sections to ensure safe and consistent results. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and see more simple methods. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and productivity, and I find it worth a look for practical habits that save time and stress. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Use controlled, consistent motions when applying Surf Brick Bronze to avoid overworking any area and to keep results even. Start with light pressure and increase only if needed, rewetting the sponge to reduce heat and friction. Wipe away residue frequently so you can see the true effect and prevent buildup that hides imperfections. After finishing each section, rinse thoroughly and dry, then assess whether a second pass is necessary for stubborn spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.